What's up, everybody? It's another episode of John's Gold and Silver. I'm your host, the Burger King stock trader. Good to see everybody. One stock that's up today is Blink, BLNK. And I think charge points up to, I told you guys about Blink when it was down about 270. And now it's up to about 350, I think. So guys, this is one we can trade in a range, okay? Blink charging, plug power, charge point holdings. These ones are in a trading range right now, but you might be happy to know that, yes, they are going to break out to insanely high levels. They're so heavily shorted. I would imagine the shorts want to try to get out before the interest rates come down, but we're going to see. I don't know. It might be a whole plan to keep the shorts in, you know? That's going to be part of the process that makes the stock go to really high levels. The shorts here are they're part of the key, okay? Now, oil today I think is around 82. Nothing too significant. Oil might be moving down a little bit more, but they're going to try to suppress it, I think. The thing is, though, I think that everyone has switched now, and they want Trump to win, I believe. I think the elites, the people that rule the banks, the people that rule the country, I think now they don't want Biden anymore. I think they flipped. I think they might have had the Biden debate because they knew he would mess up, and they were trying to turn the public towards Trump. So I think it might be that they want Trump in now. And the Democrats, the elites are going to have to tell the Democrats, too bad. You know, the Democrats probably already know that Trump's going to win. They know it's just a game now at this point, you know. So that's a very significant development now, is that I'm starting to believe that the elites want Trump. And if they want him, it's going to happen. Because the last time the elites wanted Biden, which Trump should have won. But they got Biden. They got what they wanted. The elites are always going to get what they want. And I think that they want easy money policy. They want Trump to keep the interest rates down. And in the debates, it seems like Biden was just failing on purpose. He kept just blaming everything on the rich, blaming everything, saying, oh, we should just tax rich people more. That's never going to win. That's a strategy that's years and years old. The strategy that Biden is using is so bad that they had to make him say that stuff on purpose. Okay? It's so bad. So I think they're just letting Biden lose, you know? They'll probably feed him information, tell him to say stuff that's going to make him lose. I mean, it's just crazy. And I'm starting to believe, I believe that Biden was going to be the president, even though I hate him. Now I'm starting to believe that they want Trump in. I really think that they're going to give it to him. They're going to let Trump win, I think. I think they are. Guys, you don't understand. If this happens, if Trump wins, you get one thing. Trump's going to a Bitcoin conference coming up. Trump is actually going to a Bitcoin conference, okay? Guys, Trump is the best president for cryptocurrencies, for gold, silver, for the stock market, okay? So I think this is the time to buy stocks. This is not really the time to think about, oh, we're going to have a huge crash, you know. We might have a pullback, and that'll be what allows the Fed to, you know, have more of an easy money policy. We might have a little pullback in the market, or we might have some kind of a black swan, you know. But all it's going to do is cause the stock markets to go even higher, cause gold and silver to go even higher. It's going to be crazy what happens. We're going to be talking about these stocks like Blink Charging are going to be up to $20, you know, like they were before. Gold and silver miners are going to be skyrocketing. Everybody knows that when the interest rates come down, it increases the opportunity cost of holding non-yield bearing assets like gold and silver, okay? Gold and silver are going to be the key here towards in your portfolio, I believe. Gold and silver, semiconductors, artificial intelligence stocks, crypto miners, okay? Hut 8 Mining, Marathon Digital Holdings, TerraWolf stock. TerraWolf just popped up again. What they do is the market makers will help the stock go up, and then they'll keep it high, and then it'll be in that trading range. And then they'll switch their bets from long to short, and then they'll bring this, the market makers will bring it back down, and then everybody will make money on the downside. Well, except retail that often loses money because retail doesn't usually know what the market makers are doing, you know? Usually, you know, the market makers are trained in human psychology. They know how to get you to sell when they want you to sell, to buy when they want you to buy, okay? That's why you watch my channel, so I can teach you these things and you can be a little bit more cautious. Got to be very cautious when you're dealing with these crooks, these market makers, these people that work at the big Wall Street banks, okay? They're all crooks. The crooks come out at 9:30. That's why you got to start trading at 7:30 in the morning. The crooks come out, and then a lot of the stocks go down because they start shorting everything. But that's besides the point. I just saw Tesla it was downgraded. I want to run over a squirrel. Tesla was on the Yahoo Finance, it was downgraded. You know what that tells me? It tells me it's probably going higher, okay? As soon as we heard that Cathie Wood sold Tesla, it went higher, you know? It's like they're trying to use this news to manipulate the public, okay? I told you, the market makers are trained. The market makers are connected to the people that put out the news on Yahoo Finance. They can make you think that the insiders are selling. They make you think that Cathie Woods is selling. They can make you think that the insiders are selling Bitcoin to get you to sell. So whenever you see this negative news, it's going to turn around to be positive, okay? Just like TerraWolf. That David guy sold 69,000 shares, and then the price of it skyrocketed. After an insider sold, why would the price skyrocket? Was that insider really that stupid? Did he, he just sold it some for publicity. He probably owned some through a backdoor method. He probably owned some through other accounts, you know? He didn't sell all of his anyways. So these market makers put out, working with companies, okay, through the company. It's all one big manipulation. The market makers are communicating with the companies to try to get you to sell. So you got to join this channel, stay above the market makers. We can be above and beyond what they know, what they believe. We can know exactly what they're doing, okay? So we can make the money. I don't believe in letting these Wall Street banks keep getting all the money. I don't believe in that. I think it's a big fraud. It's a big scam. They're trying to scam the American people out of a lot of their hard-earned money, okay? They're shorting our stocks, guys. They're shorting our stocks. So many times, you know? We can't let these market makers win. We can't let these shorts win. That's what I firmly believe, okay? And I'm sticking to it. I don't want to let these Wall Street banks take our money. You know? I'm not going to let it happen to you guys. So, thanks for watching this episode of John's Gold and Silver. I have been your host, the Burger King Stock Trader, and it's been very fun. There's a nice Forerunner. Looks like the front of it's kind of busted off a little bit. But I got to park next to a Toyota Camry. Well, that's a good car to park by, a Camry. Those are very reliable. I like the Corolla better. The Corolla, not the Type S though. The Type S does burn a lot of oil. You got to get the 1.8 liter Corolla, not the Type S, okay? Anyways, guys, yeah, I saw a nice Mercedes on the way too. But anyways, thanks for watching. This has been another episode of John's Gold and Silver. I'll see you guys later to talk about the stocks. Silver metals, SVM. That's what I'm buying right now, SVM. And I've got options in that as well. But yeah. Talk later, guys.